Welcome back everyone! Today I'll be making creamy shrimp pasta with tomatoes, white onions, tons of fresh garlic, spinach, salt-free seasoning like Mrs. Dash, and garlic powder for marinating the shrimp. And I'm using lentil pasta instead of regular. So let's start with heated pan on a medium-high heat. Add olive oil and unsalted butter. Melt it, then add in seasoned shrimp and cook for 5 to 7 minutes or until just turning orange in color. As we all know, we don't want to overcook the shrimp. I don't know about you, but I like my shrimp between crunchy and juicy texture. Take it out of the pan and set it aside. Next, using the same pan with the same temperature, which is on a medium-high heat, add more olive oil and unsalted butter. Melt it again until butter gets brown and toasted in color. Add in garlic followed with onion and saute for a few minutes until translucent. Add in tomatoes, same thing with tomatoes, cook them until almost they're about to burst out, about 5 minutes. Add cream, let it boil for a minute or two. Then add in Parmesan cheese. Stir cream and cheese until just combined and cheese is slightly melted. Season it with some of the Italian seasoning for taste. I love making this entree because it's easy and fast, or when I'm being lazy. Stir in spinach. Make sure to wash them always, even though in the bag said wash 3 times just to be in the safe side. Cook spinach in the sauce for 2 to 3 minutes. And lastly, add cooked shrimp and cook for extra couple of minutes. Next, cook the pasta according to its instruction. Then serve pasta with creamy and delicious spinach and shrimp with pasta. It is time for dinner, guys. Thank you so much, and I will see you again next time. Enjoy. Bye for now.